Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which of the following best describe a random sample? Okay, let's look at A. A sample in which the selected items are similar to the items not sampled. What does that mean? It means whatever you selected truly reflect the population. Well, that's a representative sample, not random sample. A is out. A sample in which the data in the variable form and the result is rated on a continuous scale that measure the degree of conformity. Well, is this a correct answer? Well, this basically describes what we're going to see later, something called substantive testing or variable testing, looking at the dollar amount. It's not about how the population are chosen, which is the random sample here. It's about variable testing. Therefore, B is out. C. A sample in which every possible combination of items in the population has an equal chance of constituting the sample. Equal chance, random sampling. Why? Because every item will have an equal chance. That's the best answer so far for random. D. A statistical probabilistic method of sample evaluation that result in an estimate of the proportion of item in a population containing a characteristic or attribute of interest. Well, if B was for the dollar amount for variable testing, D is describing attribute testing or test of control, not a method of sampling, which is random sampling. Therefore, D is out. Now, on farhatlectures.com, what you can do is before you answer the question, you could say, if I don't know what random sample, explain the topic for me. Or you could ask AI to explain the correct and incorrect answer other than the one that we provide. And if you really like this question, you could ask AI to provide you a similar MCQ to practice the concept again. What should you do? Well, whether you are a CPA exam candidate, a college student taking auditing, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources that I have, lectures, AI resources, podcast lessons, notes. Invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can make. Stay safe and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.